Ever feel like you know everything about the animal kingdom? Well, think again. The world is full of creatures that are way weirder and more wonderful than you could ever imagine. Today, we are diving deep into some of the most bizarre and mind-blowing animal facts that will make you see nature in a whole new light. Let's start under the sea with one of the smartest invertebrates around. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? That's right, 3. 2 of their hearts are dedicated solely to pumping blood through their gills, while the third, larger heart circulates blood to the rest of their body. Talk about having a lot of heart. Speaking of slow and steady, have you ever taken a really long nap? Well, a snail can probably beat your record. These little guys can sleep for up to 3 years straight. They go into a state of hibernation, especially when the weather gets too dry, just waiting for better conditions to wake up and get back to their snail-paced life. Now, let's hop over to Australia. You know kangaroos are famous for their powerful jumps. But here's something they can't do: they can't walk backward. Their long feet and muscular tail are perfectly designed for moving forward, but they make it physically impossible to take a single step back. They're all about forward momentum. What if I told you there's an animal that's essentially immortal? Meet the Octopus dorni, also known as the immortal jellyfish. When it gets old or injured, it doesn't just die. Instead, it can revert back to its earliest life stage, a polyp, and start its life cycle all over again. It's like hitting the reset button on life, over and over. Next up, butterflies. They are beautiful to look at. But how do they experience the world? Believe it or not, butterflies taste with their feet. They have special sensors on their feet that help them identify the right plants. When a female lands on a leaf, she's essentially giving it a taste test to see if it is a good place to lay her eggs. Alright, prepare yourself for this next one, because it's a bit strange. You know those squishy-looking sea cucumbers on the ocean floor? Well, they breathe through their butt. No, I'm not kidding. They have respiratory trees connected to their anus, and they pump water in and out to extract oxygen. It's definitely one of nature's weirdest designs. From the ocean floor to a magical-looking creature from Mexico, let's talk about the axolotl. These amazing salamanders are the superstars of regeneration. If they lose a limb, it's no big deal, they can just regrow it. But it doesn't stop there. They can also regrow damaged organs, parts of their spinal cord, and even sections of their brain. Simply incredible. Let's go big, really big. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, and its heart is just as massive. A blue whale's heart is about the size of a small car and can weigh over 400 pounds. It beats so powerfully that its heartbeat can be detected from up to 2 miles away underwater. Imagine the sound of that. Now for something a little more down to earth and heartwarming. Did you know that cows have best friends? Studies have shown that cows form strong social bonds and can become stressed and anxious when they are separated from their favorite companions. Just like us, they need their buddies around to feel happy and secure. Finally, let's talk about one of the most iconic pink birds, the flamingo. But here's the twist: flamingos aren't born pink. They're actually born with gray feathers. They get their beautiful pink or reddish color from pigments in the algae and crustaceans they eat. So, in a way, you really are what you eat, especially if you're a flamingo. And that's a wrap on our wild ride through the weirdest animal facts. Nature is truly full of surprises, isn't it? If you learned something new and amazing today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.